I need to go check on the boats and do a few other things out on the property. Ride with me. One of the first things that I do is I get a little water and get my shake made. Um, I salt my water, so it takes a sec. There we go. A little sunshine in. That would be. First thing I do, I get my salted water in, and then I make my shake. The base of my shake is protein, creatine, and cocoa. And I don't use water, I use coconut water. The reason I use coconut water is because coconut water is super high in potassium. Potassium is very good for you. It's one of the salts you need, and it also is really good for blood pressure. So you can add whatever you want to that base, but that's pretty solid. I try to do about 25 to 30 grams of protein in the morning and then get like a 25 to 30 minute walk in. I'm not going to do that because I'm probably doing a lot of walking and lifting today, so I'm not really going to worry about it. And there we have our shake. This is a really good way for me to start my day. I don't know how you start your day, but getting my nutrition in helps me stay focused on basically on being healthy. The whole health thing isn't a new journey for me. I've always been very health conscious. I've always taken really good care of my body, and I will continue to be health conscious and take good care of my body as best I can. I haven't been to the boats in months. That's not good, but life happens. Good assessment on where everything is so we can get right back into the swing of things as best we can. What I use to cut my hair and trim, or cut my hair and kind of shape up my face. And this is what I use as a gift. And this thing is, like, it takes a lot. Yeah. Yeah. So one of my favorite brands, Dirty Hook. If you know, you know. I stopped wearing my gear because I got fat. Yeah, I'm not fat. Yeah. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching the videos. Thank you for buying my merch. Just plain thank you. Having you as a part of my crew, I got to tell you, it means everything to my world. Just thank you. And remember, adventure's where you find it. I will love, I will lux, I will life. I'm yacht broker, yachtsman Tony White. Thank you. All right, so let me run you through today's loadout. Got an action camera, battery pack, cell phone, wallet, pocket knife, sunglasses, my Samsung watch. I use that watch when I'm riding. It makes it easier for me to communicate. So I can look at my wrist, I can answer the phone, I can send a text, whatever I need to do without really taking my eyes off the road. Tracker, memory bank, and earbuds. And obviously the studio pack. That's where I keep all of my extra gear for making content. We'll get back on the road. Hit you. Whatever tools are back there that I need. All right, so this is what I'm gonna do now. I need to get something to eat and make my way back to so that's what we got going here and here. That's what we got going there. I'm yacht broker Yachtsman Tony White. It's all. Yo, all right, so I made it, kinda. Still got a little ways to go. Still got maybe like 30 minutes of riding to go. I gotta get something to eat because the area that I'm going to does not really have any food places that I wanna go to. So we get a little something, Mickey D's, and keep it rolling. All right, so I got me some grub. I'm gonna get back on the road. I'll hit you up when I get there. Oh! All right, so I made it. Wait. Hold on. There we go. So I made it. Today is going to be about organizing and cleaning and assessing. That's it. Organizing, cleaning, and assessing. So walk with me. So the other thing that needs to happen is I need to do a repair on the bike. The tools that I need are here. So that's what's on the agenda for today. Assess, clean, organize, and do a repair or two, upgrade or two on the bike. That's it. Let's rock. All right, so over the years, this has become a hot mess. So from the front of that plastic forward, everything is where it kind of is supposed to be. Between there and the front door, not so much. This wall right here is where all of my repair and building materials for boats are. They're in really good order, but I haven't touched any of that stuff in literally years. So a lot of it's probably not good anymore. And some of it I'm hoping can be salvaged because there's probably, if I remember correctly, there's like a couple $1,000s worth of parts and tools and materials and gel coat and fiberglass and all kind of stuff like that. 1708, 1808, sheet and all kind of stuff like that. So let's get to it. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching the videos. Thank you for buying my merch. Just plain thank you. Having you as a part of my crew, I got to tell you, it means everything to my world. Just thank you. And remember, adventure's where you find it. Aqua love, aqua lux, aqua life. I'm yacht broker Yachtsman Tony White. Thank you. Those are the heat exchangers for the 4.3 and motorcycle, parts of the trailer, spare material, wood, steel. The heads for the Tiara, which were cleaned and prepped and now need to be probably prepped and gone over again. Let's get it. Yeah, so it's 81 degrees out today, so we have to be careful. It's 81 degrees out here. In there, it's probably closer to 100.
So it's real easy to forget to hydrate and pay attention to those types of things inside these buildings that are made of metal. Tin, I think they're made of tin to be exact. So the sun's beating down on this metal. It's a giant hot box. So yeah, not the good hot box or that kind of hot box, but yeah. So let's get it. So this is the remnant of something I built called a punt. A punt is an English style boat. It's a little slim one, maybe 2-person boat. It didn't go well. It didn't go well at all. All right. So there's a lot of stuff in here, packed in here, but I'm not here to thin it out today. I'm here to organize it, get it separated, get everything in place where I can start getting some work done. So obviously that needs a little more work, but it's a step at a time. So if you can see, I got this space cleared out. I'm gonna get that old school bike put back in here, and then get the boat parts stacked back up where I can get to them, and we're ready to start working again. So here are the materials that I have. I got some topside paint, which I bought on accident. It was supposed to be bottom paint. So there's some gel coat up there. There's like a gallon and a quarter gel coat there. Got a couple gallons of gel coat there. That is more of the custom gel coat that I had made. Expensive. And there's some silica back there. There's some other boat material type stuff. Up here we have our glass. I have some more glass stacked somewhere else. And down here, we have boat parts. We got the outdrive here. And then we've got a mixture of boat parts for the 233 and the 3100. And on and on and on and on. So I don't know how it gets done. I'm just saying it gets done. I'm probably not going to be able to go back to that old schedule of making sure that I get you one video a week on Sunday by X time or whatever. Nah, we're just gonna get it done, and I'll get to you what I got when I got it. So I'm gonna get back to putting this stuff back in here. Unfortunately, I can't just run the camera. It's too hot. The heat keeps clipping the camera. So that's what we got going here. That's what we got going there. And that's what we got going right there. It's all for the day, baby. All right, so it's like 12:30 a.m. and that is the end of my visit to the boats. So now you can kind of understand why I haven't been able to get out there as often as I'd like. But I got a plan, and we're gonna get more boat work done than we have in a while. So, yacht broker Yachtsman Tony White. Aqua love, aqua lux, aqua life. Good night.